Welcome to lesson 3A. Okay, so for lesson 3A, we're just going to go over definitions, and in lesson 3B, we're actually going to make the program. Think. Let's see. Yep. Alright, so let's get started. So I expect you to read this before, like always read the tutorials before you watch the videos, so read all this. So basically, let me just open a program and go over this stuff. One second. We got the program name, funnytest.java. Okay, so funnytest.java. So the only thing different from income calculator is now we have decision structures in our program. The decision structure is it allows a program to have more than one path of execution. So now the program can either do if this equals y and this equals y, then do this. If it's not equal y and this is not equal y, then do this. So there's two things the program can do. It can either do this or this. So there's a decision that it has to make. That's why it's called decision structure. Now this type of decision structure is an if statement. Technically it's an if-else statement. You can just have an if statement without the else. But we want two paths of execution, so we have an if and else statement. So let's go back to this. Now the way to write an if statement is the if and then the Boolean expression. Now the Boolean expression is, did I go over that? Let's see. Compares two things, right? So here we compare user tells jokes variable and y. If user tells jokes equals y and user makes people laugh equals y, then do this. Now we're comparing four things here because we have an and statement here. So this is, you don't have to have two things compared. You can just have one statement, one Boolean expression. Now we have two Boolean expressions here for this program. So let's go back to this again. Here's an example. If test score is greater than 60, you pass the test. Else, do a print line statement saying that you failed the test. Now we can also have an if-else-if statement. So let's say we have a variable called grade and score. So if score is less than 60, grade equals F. Else if score is less than 70, grade equals D, and so on, all the way to else if score is less than or equal to 100, grade equals A. We also have, at the end of the else if statement, we have an else statement. Else grade equals question mark. So now let's say the user enters -2. Now it does not fall in the boundary between any of these numbers. So I'm sorry. Actually, it would fall in the boundary of this, less than 60. So -2 would be F. So what we should do is if score is less than 0, grade equals question mark. Or and then if grade is less than greater than 100, then grade equals question mark, because you can't have a grade less than 0, and assuming you don't get extra credit, you can't get a grade greater than 100. So if statements are very useful in Java, as you can see. In 1 second, I have a bee in the room I'm in, so I have to kill the bee. I'll be right back. Pause this. Alright, so I killed a bee and now I'm back. Okay, so that's about it for this stuff. Actually, I'm done. Okay, cool. See you in lesson 3B. Have a good day.